Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about bar charts in Tableau. So bar charts are used when you have data that can split into many categories, and you can quickly and easily highlight differences between categories, show trends and outliers, and reveal historical highs and lows. Bar charts are simple and effective. So let's go to Tableau and create a simple bar chart. So I will drag this category dimension in column shelf and sales measure in row shelf. This chart is sales by category, and if you cannot see this bar chart automatically, then go to marks card and click on this drop down and select chart type as bar. You can drag dimension in columns and measure in rows or vice versa. You can get this bar chart. You can also keep order date to get this bar chart. So this is the chart for to compare sales among 4 years 19, 20, 21 and 22. You can also keep order date in colors to get different color for a different year in bar charts. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.